discover ways to help you stop snoring. Many people deal with the loud and noisy snoring of either themselves or of their loved ones. Aside from being loud and affecting your sleep, it may be indicative of something health-related. You need answers as to the causes of the snoring and what can be done about it. Use these tips below to begin. You may want to think of trying certain treatments specifically made for snoring. They are proven to be effective and may be the only option you have left. There are a wide range of treatments used for snoring, including certain throat sprays, nasal strips, and even oral strips. Lose weight. Obesity, or even carrying around just a few excess pounds, can have many adverse health effects. One of these effects is an increased tendency to snore. The heavier you are, the more likely your airway is to become restricted by excess fat and flesh. Drop the pounds to alleviate the problem. Nasal strips can provide welcomed relief from bothersome snoring. These nasal strips often resemble a bandage. That being said, they don't perform the same way as a Band-Aid. These strips open your nasal airways automatically. You can breathe more easily from your nose that way, and therefore you will not snore. Many throat exercises are out there that will help you strengthen your throat and stop snoring. One of these is to hold your mouth open, and then slide your jaw to the right. Hold it in place for 30 seconds. Then repeat by pushing your jaw to the left side and holding for 30 seconds. Stronger muscles mean less snoring. As previously stated, snoring is a loud and noisy condition that many people have to deal with. Snoring may not just be a noise though, it could tell you something about your health. Using the above tips to find the causes and how to treat snoring may help everyone sleep a little bit better. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.